Hey, it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is equity financing. Now, what does that mean? Issuing equity is issuing a stock or a preferred stock. You're selling part of the company. Now, frequently, companies that need to raise capital and don't have that capital from retained earnings will sell stock to the marketplace or to shareholders, new investors that will invest in the company and have new ownership. Now, this happens all the time when public companies need to raise equity. They'll issue a secondary and sell more stock. They'll do a private placement of public stock. Equity financing generally means that you're selling stock in a company to raise permanent capital. Equity financing is generally not paid back. It's permanent capital for the public company or private company that's selling that stock. Today's word is equity financing.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.